Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the area of a triangle of base 5 decimeter and side 10 centimeter. Here we have given base of a triangle (5 decimeters) and height of a triangle is 10 centimeters. As we know that 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeters, so 5 decimeters will be 5 into 10, that is 50 centimeters, as 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeters. So from this, area of the triangle with this base and height is given by 1/2 base into height. That is, here it is 1/2, base is 50 centimeters into height is 10 centimeters. So it is 50 into 10 by 2 is 5. So 50 into 5, that is 250, and it is in square centimeters. Hence, area of a triangle is 250 square centimeters. From available options, we have option D as 250 square centimeters.